So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it, and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine, then you want to expand software, then you want to expand Microsoft, and now you want to expand Windows. You want to scroll down and expand Windows, and now you want to click on current version, and now this will appear on the right side. And then once you're on this, you should be having program files dir and another program files dir x86. And now next to it, it should also be saying C program files and C program files x86. Or it might be saying a different drive for you. Now we're going to be changing the drive letter of where our program files are going to be saved. And now to do that, we're going to click on program files dir, and you can now replace C with your drive letter. If you don't know which drive letter that you want to replace it with, you want to head over to search and type in File Explorer, click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on this PC. You can now view all your drives. So I'm going to be replacing C with my E drive. So I'm going to close out of this. I'm going to be taking off C. Make sure that you keep the colon and the backslash in program files. And then click on OK. I'm going to do the same thing for this one as well. I'm going to take off C only, and then put in E, and then click on OK. And now you just want to restart your computer, and then you should be good to go.